welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we apprise you with the recent important legal developments across the country. Here are the headlines. Supreme Court hears plea challenging Patna High Court decision upholding the Bihar Caste Survey. Senthil Balaji to remain in custody after Supreme Court rejects plea against arrest. Rahul Gandhi's Lok Sabha membership restored. Delhi High Court seeks NIA response on bail plea by Shabir Shah in terror funding case. Haryana Government extends ban on internet in Nuh and Palwal amidst violence. Now let's take a detailed look at the headlines. The Supreme Court today heard a petition challenging the Patna High Court verdict dated August 1st that upheld the validity of the caste survey in Bihar. The plea was placed before a bench of Justices Sanjeev Khanna and S.V. Bhatti and was filed by NGO Ek Soch Ek Prayas. And another plea, also challenging the same verdict, was filed by Akhilesh Kumar, a resident of Nalanda in Bihar. Both the petitioners contend that the state government usurped the power of the union by merely publishing a notification in the official gazette to conduct a census. It was further submitted that the notification dated June 6, 2022 is against the constitutional mandate of distribution of powers between the state and union legislature, as enshrined under Article 246 of the Constitution, read with Schedule 7th, and ultra vires the Census Act of 1948, read with Census Rules of 1990, and is therefore void ab initio. The state government of Bihar, led by Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, has time and again claimed that they have not conducted a census, but have only collected information from the general public related to their economic status and caste, so that specific steps could be taken by the government to serve the people more efficiently. The High Court of Patna had upheld the caste survey, stating it to be perfectly valid, initiated with due competence, with legitimate aim of providing development of justice. A bench of the Supreme Court comprising Justices A.S. Bopanna and M.M. Sundaresh today dismissed the pleas filed by DMK Minister V. Senthil Balaji and his wife Meghala against his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate in a money laundering case. The two petitioners had approached the Apex Court against the Madras High Court order that refused to release the Tamil Nadu minister. The ED had also approached the Apex Court contending that the High Court erred in even entertaining a habeas corpus petition. Interestingly, a division bench of the Madras High Court comprising Justices Nisha Bhanu and Bharata Chakrabarti had entertained the habeas corpus plea and passed a split verdict in the case. The same case was then referred to a third judge, Justice C.V. Karthikeyan, who upheld the validity of Balaji's arrest by ED. The Supreme Court reserved its verdict in the matter on August 2nd, dismissing the plea against Balaji's arrest and granting ED custody till August 12th. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi's membership as the Member of Parliament was restored after the Lok Sabha Secretariat issued a notification to reinstate the same. The notification comes after the Supreme Court on August 4th ordered the suspension of Gandhi's conviction in the criminal defamation case for his "all thieves share the Modi surname" remark. Gandhi is an MP in the Lok Sabha from Wayanad constituency in Kerala. Rahul Gandhi was convicted by the trial court in Surat on March 23rd this year and sentenced to 2 years imprisonment on a plea filed by Purnesh Modi, alleging that Gandhi's remarks defamed all persons belonging to the Modi community. The Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate and then the High Court of Gujarat had refused to set aside the conviction against Gandhi. He then approached the Apex Court and got a decision in his favor, leading to the stay on conviction and restatement as an MP. The Delhi High Court today sought the response of the National Investigation Agency on the bail plea filed by Kashmiri separatist leader Shabir Shah in a terror funding case. The bench of Justices Siddharth Mridul and Anish Dayal issued notice to NIA on an appeal filed by Shah, challenging the order of the trial court refusing to grant him bail. The accused alleged in his plea that he has been in custody for 4 years and the trial would take a long time to conclude, and so he be granted bail. The accused was represented by senior advocate Colin Gonsalves, who stated that the order of the trial court was contrary to law. He further stated that the appellant has been languishing in jail for 4 years, with over 400 witnesses to be examined, and only 15 witnesses have been examined till date. The Haryana government has extended the ban on mobile internet and SMS services in Nuh till August 8th and in Palwal till August 7th due to the ongoing communal violence. Department of Home Affairs Haryana passed the order under Section 5 of the Indian Telegraph Act of 1885, read with Rule 2 of Temporary Suspension of Telecom Services, Public Emergency or Public Safety Rules of 2017. The order cited that there is a clear potential of disruption of public utilities, damage to public assets and amenities and disturbance of public law and order in Nuh district on account of misuse of internet services by way of spread of inflammatory material and false rumors. The internet shutdown was made in order to stop the spread of misinformation through social media, the order stated. Earlier, the Home Minister for Haryana, Anil Vij, had stated that social media has played a major role in escalating the violence in Nuh. The violence in Nuh erupted on July 31st this year during a Braj Mandal Yatra organized by the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, after the procession was allegedly attacked by stone pelters when passing through the Muslim majority district Nuh. The communal violence soon reached nearby areas of Palwal, Sona and Gurugram. So far, the violence has led to at least 7 deaths and over 200 injuries have been reported. And over 100 FIRs have been registered, with over 200 people arrested, as per sources. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum. And subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.